Today we dive into this architectural retreat amidst the dunes, Dolphin Sands, by Matt Williams Architects. Walking through the coastal vegetation of Tasmania, you encounter a structure that at first glance seems to float above the sands, a lightweight shelter that blends seamlessly into the landscape. The site presented its challenges: steep dunes covered with dense vegetation and low-lying areas prone to flooding. Raised on a surefoot foundation system that eliminates the use of concrete and minimizes ground disturbance, the structure gains lightness and allows wildlife, including snakes, to move freely underneath. Even though it is small, 36 square meters, the volume opens in plan and section, creating an expansive sense of space. Materials are minimal but rich in texture. Internally clad with OSB engineered wood and black limestone, flooring provides thermal comfort within a tightly sealed envelope. The idea of a solid tent guided the design, a structure that provides protection without distancing itself from the wild surroundings. Openings are carefully sized and positioned, so you always feel close to the climate and nature around you. The focus here was on isolation and, above all, the unparalleled views of Great Oyster Bay and the Freycinet Peninsula. The cabin was conceived as a viewer, framing these vistas like living landscapes. The water tank is buried beneath the access path to preserve the landscape. The journey to the cabin is part of the experience, from landing in Tasmania, along the coastal road, to walking the winding path and entering this space that invites silence and contemplation. Dolphin Sands goes beyond functional architecture. Living here is to experience a carefully crafted work of art, a sensory invitation to inner peace.